friends, welcome to my channel Tech Take Easy. It's me Abdullah Sham, and in this video we are going to see how to reopen closed tabs in Chrome. So let's consider an example. If you are scrolling a website or you are looking on important documents or watching a YouTube video and then accidentally you hit the close button of the Chrome and your Chrome gets closed, and after that when you open it you get shocked to see that all of your tabs, the open tabs, are now disappeared. So how to reopen these closed tabs in the Chrome? This is our topic today, and in this video I hope we will cover it. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So first of all, let me show you how you can do it. In the Chrome, you will find a button here which is a new tab button. By default, when you will click on it, it will open a new tab in Chrome, but we are not going to click on it. We have to right click on this button. You can find this button on the top section where you click on new tab. Just right click on this button and then click on reopen closed tab. You can see this option here which is a highlight now being highlighted. Just click on this option, or you can see the shortcut from here which is Control Shift and T. You can press the Control Shift and T and then your file will get reopened. So if you have closed multiple tabs in Chrome, you can press the Control Shift T, enter again and again, and all of your tabs will be one by one they will be restored to your Chrome. So let's take this option. I'm not going to click on it. I'm going to do it with a shortcut which is Control Shift T. As you click on it, now you can see that my YouTube channel has been restored. All the tab I have been using earlier is now being restored. So this is you can do it for the multiple tabs in Chrome. For example, if you have a lot of tabs that you have closed, a lot of tabs, you can press it again and again, and all of your tabs will be open for you. So I hope this was a simple trick. I hope that you have learned it. So please like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and share my videos with other people. See you in the next video, guys.